Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn important function that saves time. We have data in table, we use formulas. First we use formula TOCOL. TOCOL is the lastest formula of Excel that total the data. Now select data of all three groups. After selecting the data, now simply enter. We will get data in the column. Similarly, we use formula equals unique. Select data array. Unique will eliminate duplicate data. Now use sort function to sort data. After selecting, press enter. It will sort data according to alphabetic order. To convert data into row, use formula equals TOROW. Simply select the data array. After selecting the data, press enter. Now test our formula by changing data. We can notice that it will reflect in our results. As you see, the whole data is reflecting and working according to the formula. Now we again test formula by changing the name. Each formula is working as per given instructions. We can also see Alex is available in all formulas. Now we are moving to our next important example. In this data we are using the VSTACK formula. First we use formula equals VSTACK. Then select the whole given data. Select data from both tables. Now we press enter and data will gather vertically. Now we can test our formula by changing the values. On every action it is changing its data. Similar function we perform with HStack formula. Again we select data from both groups or both tables. HStack arrange data horizontally. Now we adjust columns to show data. We again use HStack function and select the whole data. We use data of VStack. As you can see, we got data in this format because of single table. Now again we test formula and can notice the reflection. Now Paul is reflecting in each data. If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe.